Hi, this is Christine with a product close-up of the Balancing Act Stamp and Die from the Greatest Friends on Earth release. So this is a 4x4 stamp set with 12 different images that create a terrific tightrope scene. This stamp set can be used by itself, or it coordinates fantastically with the Abracadabra or the Circus Bear stamp sets. There are numerous sentiments. There's a cute little dog, monkey, and little things for the monkey and dog to balance. So cups and a plate, as well as a little umbrella. And it comes with the coordinating dies that cut out all the images, and I'll show you. I've already colored and cut them. Cuts out all the sentiments and all the images perfectly, as well as the tightrope and the little balancing stick for the cups and for the plate and the umbrella. So there are all the images. So you can use them in a multitude of ways. Here are the different sentiments. Life is a balancing act. You're amazing. Bravo. Hope your day is over the top. And here's the tightrope. You can have the clown balancing on the tightrope. I'm going to be making a card pretty soon that will look very closely and actually do an interactive card that will look very use this stamp set very closely. So you can have them just sort of holding on, the monkey on top, can put there. It's actually made so that you can put all the images on top of each other. So like that. So one giant, this would be perfect for a vertical slimline card. So you can do it any way you want, but here the dog is balancing some cups. Can have just the dog behind, almost like kind of a parade. I mean, anything, you know, your imagination is the limit. So it's really a fun stamp set. So here here's Tanya's card. She used it with the Good Morning stencil that's also part of this release, and Cassie used it with the Starstruck stencil. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this product close-up was helpful. Thanks for watching.